No, send the blue boys! Send the blue boys!
It looks like to fly. A scam out. Flame me Sharky, sharky, sharky.
Dodge.
Sharky, sharky, sharky. And of course, yeeted my own car. What you gonna do about it? Can't do nothing about it. You ruined the whole thing.
I have an RD, smart baby.
Kill him. Kill the bots. Kill him. Kill the shark. Kill the shark. You're supposed to kill the shark.
Do it, Aussie.
I'm trying to get the shark.
Die. Well, bye.
Let's go. Had a little pen. Wanna do again. My
baby gods. And they got IO guards. They have IO. This is a full warzone.
They have IO guards?
I have returned. Oh no! All of them are coming back.
And you had a little man.
Oh my gosh, that IO patrol will not be able to do anything. Oh my god. Look at the IO patrol. Yeah, they start rolling up and I'm like, oh, they're legit driving away. They tried to drive away. Oh, they're all in me. There's no. Okay, see, take as many. Take as many as brother.
I wonder what happens if I have an angle like this.
That was not smart.
It didn't work. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I should have an angle like that.
It's over. Protect me while I get the smart ones. Get the smart ones ready.
Oh my gosh, if this shark doesn't work again, I swear.
I can't find any. There's not up here. There's no machine pistol.
Can't do anything. Can't do anything.
Cassie, help us.
Cassie,
help us eliminate these babies.
I don't really feel like it. Kid, make me fly. We am flying. We are. I'm coming.
We need help eliminating these babies.
I really don't want to.
Drew's baby has been cheating on him. Now they're all retarded.
Most of them are.
I'm recording though, chill.
Oh, JC! What are you doing? I'm coming.
I need more resources.
I think these are smart ones.
Guess what? Huh? Guess what? I'm coming, little boy.
Help here.
I'm a little man. Come on, boy, what you gonna do, buddy? Oh, what you gonna do, buddy? Oh, I'm gonna die. Drew, what did you do? Drew, what did you do?
I give it bird.
Oh, boom. Yo, what?
Get us out of here! What?
Get us out! Grenade! I think it's over. They're all gone. Oh! Is it finally over?
No, it's not.
It's not. There's a big army.
What? Drew, why are you spawning more?
I'm not spawning.
Dude, it's the babies. Okay, so basically, listen. So there are these rare new types of humans, and only Drew has, I guess, Drew's the first human to like be basically an upgraded human. Everything about, he's basically human. He's faster, stronger, more intelligent, and just everything is just better.
Oh,
so he's trying to create more of these humans and every girl wants him, but the girl that he's using right now is cheating on him. So
Stop.
now there's retarded ones that are just shooting people. I found some of them.
Watch this. Dude, the hip fire on here is so insane.
You can have smart ones. You can have smart ones. Dad, smart babies. Kill. Yes, they're smart. They're smart. They charge in the battle.
Oh.
Oh, do you have any ammo? I have 0 SMG. 3 shotgun bullets and 35. Ah, get up. Grenade!
Oh no, we have the IO to worry about.
Not the government. The government, they're trying to shut down this business.
This was a smart one that actually survived.
And you had a little fun. And you
We have to
wanted
find a new
to
area.
pretend.
We have to find a new area to find more
I need
babies.
5 more babies. I need 5 more babies.
We have to find a new area to find more babies. Drew, follow me. Follow me in the tornado.
Dude, guys, look at this.
Oh, found more babies.
What are they doing? They were in a line, bro, and then these people were literally in a line. And he took my...
Oh, they're smarties! They're super. They're not smart, they're just super. They're basically just human.
Oh no, it's the enemy.
Oh no! There's some retarded ones! Dominating the retarded ones. Yes! Come on, boy! And a past friend, we have to make sure that the retarded ones... tornado!
Oh no.
Get in the tornado!
Not the tornado.
Get in the tornado!
It's my weakness.
Get in the tornado!
Wait, no.
Get in the tornado!
I can hang on to it.
Follow the... Get in the tornado! Ah! Follow the smart ones!
Wee. Help me.
Help me! I can't see anything! Follow the smart ones!
I have trackers and played it in all of them.
Isn't another person Russian? It's Gary Penny, and he said Vomgno. It's another bot. Dude, this guy was like, I don't even know.
I don't know. These might be a smart one.
I need materials.
Oh my god, I'm so weak! I'm not too weak!
Too weak to do anything.
I'm coming! I'm coming!
Oh no, not the tornado.
Oh, get the fishing hut! Get to the fishing hut, my babies! Get to the fishing hut!
Where you guys at? Get away from
It's
me!
an ambush! It's an ambush! Get away from me!
No. I killed them all.
There's not more of them. There's more of us than there are.
What? Oh, you gotta get away from the tornado. I'm not gonna lie. This one I died. Die.
I think we live. I think we're gonna win. We won. Oh, I found a rusty can.
Finally, some ammo.
Okay. Prune. I'm gonna lock it up.
The fact that I'll follow the rest of my babies.
Get over here, Drew. I'm gonna kill you. Get over here, Drew.
What happened to this place?
Get over here, Drew. You can't hit your shots. Oh my god, you're bad. Oh, you can't hit your shots. Oh, hit your shots. Hit your shots.
Dude, you
Oh,
can
hit your
shoot
shots. He'll might hit your shots. Hit your shots. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, hit your shots. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hit your shots. Oh, you can't hit your shots. Oh my gosh. Hit your shots.
You
Oh my
can't
god.
even
Oh my
hit your shots, bro.
god.
You can't even hit your shots. Oh my god.
I can.
60, 60.
I just don't feel like it, you know.
Oh, I
you're
have some
dope.
unfortunate news. My unsmart babies
Are dead.
becoming human.
That's bad. They're gonna be sweat. Dude, they're gonna
they can't
evolve
be
into
sweat.
sweats. That's not gonna be good.
Dude,
That's impossible.
It's the evolution.
The only reason why we're repopulating superhumans is so we can get rid of sweats, you idiot.
It's the evolution.
We can't have them. We can't have sweats.
It's the evolution.
Oh, my babies are turning into
Suck my ding-a-ling.
better control us.
I
even
love
sweats can
you,
take them out anymore.
baby. So it's
Babies have
quite
been able to
alright.
remove all
How do I
sweats.
use one web and it takes like 6 seconds just to... Fortnite, I need you to make your
I have
game
an army. I
when
have
you're ready.
reinforcements coming.
No, I'm coming. Oh my god, what the? I'm gonna quit the game. I'm never gonna come back.
Bro,
I can't.
traumatized.
Oh, just like your dad. Ooh. Oh,
What the
There
heck
we
is ooh? Just like that. Ooh.
there you go, man. Who's trying to shoot me? What did they do?
Repopulated.
Oh no, Drew, help me. Drew, I can't get it. Drew,
What?
Drew.
No! There's retarded ones.
No, I'm stuck.
What the heck?
Oh.
What the heck?
Oh my god. Oh no, they
Oh,
sure
no.
they
Oh
coming to hive mind. You know what a hive mind means, right? Dude. Do you realize what I just said?
Yeah.
Oh my god, there's so many of them.
I just rolling, and the double reds.
They're a hive mind.
I just wanna
They
ready,
stick
ready,
together.
ready.
24K savage, 24 savage. I was kidding. What is this song? This song is dog duty. Ooh, I'm a Barbie girl.
NBA Youngboy diet.
I lost all my ambitions.
Don't even know who he is. I don't even listen to his music.
I lost you, my feet.
I don't even
I
listen to
lost all my ambitions.
I don't even listen to his music. That's how bad it is. But
I lost all my ambitions. NBA young boy, NBA young boy.
I won't stop her.
Come on, jump on me, jump on me, jump on me, jump on me.
Hey, yo.
Jump on me, you can jump on me now, jump on me, jump on me.
Dude, there are so many
smart babies. I still have a lot more smart babies coming.
Yes, yes.
One line against the army of dumb ones.
You piece of crap, dude, this house is so
Many
stupid.
smart ones were sacrificed on that day.
Bro, hurry up and just kill me. Start coming over here, come over here.
I can only find smart babies. That's a good thing.
Not really.
Okay, yeah.
Oh my god, yeah, there's your good buddy. You're bad, you're bad, you're very bad.
They will traffic jam. That's just
They're having traffic jam. Someone come look at this. Somebody come look at this.
I have to reset my brain.
You have to what? How do you reset your brain?
Before they
I
untraffic
go
jam.
boom. I go. Ooh.
You can't get me, you fatty. You are fatty. You are a fatty. Come on, you fatty. You're fat. You're fat. Just like your dad. Oh, no.
Oh my.
What the fuck?
No, someone needs to come look at this.
I really don't care though. That's the thing.
It's not my fault. My babies are doing that.
Come.
I all my ambitions. I just wanna be the one you love.
Okay, they're untracked jams.
So
It's just a
Sometimes stop yelling.
They're like ants.
Yeah, they are high. Neither thinks they do. I am the hive leader. Actually, no, I'm not.
Can you stop talking? Like, it's really annoying.
Wait, no.
Can you stop talking, sis?
Can you stop talking, sis?
It's too much.
Your breath is hot.
Sexy?
Sorry, what? I'm sorry, but like, you're just really ugly. Just get out of my way. Where's your manager? Where's your manager? I need to see your manager.
Are you following him, LJC?
Where's your mom and dad? I need to tell them that you're stupid. I need to tell them that you need a life.
I have a few more that are coming.
That are what?
What?
That are what? Come and get me.
Oh, the high money. High money.
Oh my god.
Gang banger.
There's too many.
Gang banger. I'm gonna gang banger. Oh crap, it's IO guard first babies.
Where?
Dude, it's a war between the IO guards and the babies. The IO guards are LJC. IO guards are looking
LJC.
No.
They came back.
Drew, what is that? Drew, what's happening?
What's that?
Drew, what's happening? Drew, what is happening right now?
Ow,
No,
dude,
my
shut
question
it.
is, what is happening?
You are fighting the IO guards. My army.
Get over here. Get over
Literally
here. Yeah.
obliterated them.
Execute. You're gonna get executed.
They literally
Execute.
just
Oh my
said
god,
every
get teabag.
single
Oh my god, you
little
just got
baby.
execute. Oh my god, get better at the game.
Boys.
Drew, what is
You're too
that?
smart.
What is happening?
We have to put him down. We have to
It's
put
a
him down.
baby.
We have to put him down.
How do we put them down?
We need
Dude.
the dumb ones.
This one is blue. Why is this one blue?
Don't ask questions. Oh my
Wait,
god.
What is
Where?
this one is blue? Why is this
Mark
one
them.
blue?
Mark them.
Over here, over here. This one is blue.
Wait up. Wait up.
Everybody, I'm giving you the ability to make my babies.
Where,
Get better at the game.
But
It's
you
right
can
over
only make the dumb
there.
You can only make
Over
the
here,
dumb
you dumb nut.
This one?
Yeah,
ones. You can only make dumb ones.
he's
It's not
blue.
blue.
That means you're gay.
Boys, you can only make the dumb ones.
today.
Only make the.
Bro, who is
Scan, 30 scan.
someone? People are like, some people are just joining my thing and just texting and then just leaving. Dude, there's these Russian people who keep joining my freaking stream and just putting random things. What does that mean?
Wait, you're...
Am I getting like hacked? Yeah.
How you got Russians in your thing?
Bro, I don't know. Dude, like go to my stream, you'll see like a go to my stream, you'll see like random you'll see like a freaking Russian guy or like a Russian. Yeah, and there's this Russian person just there's actually two Russian people
does it?
just coming to my stream and he's putting you fucking
Do not talk bad.
fucking-
Do not talk about bad for Russians. They will take
The
you out of the internet.
Russians...
I mean you
the Russians,
fucking
they're gonna
you fucking
Dude, they're gonna freaking, bomb you. I think that's what they're doing. They're sending nuclear...
Alright, bro, you need to chill, bro. Like, I love you guys, bro. Like, oh my god. It's so crazy. You guys are gay on it. You guys are so cool.
I know, right?
That's what you say to your people.
Blah, 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 blah,
Once again,
I love y'all. You're so...
You're so chunky. They just come to my house. Okay, you're so stupid.
You're so chunky.
But what if they actually put on my house, though? I feel like they're trying to pull up my house. For
I
like,
heard you were talking
like-
smack about Russian.
I heard you talk about our country and everything we have done for you guys. Now it's time for you to
What
die.
about Ukraine?
Wait, no, that's a
What do you know
British
about
accent.
Ukraine,
That's a
Russia?
that's a British accent.
Russia.
I lost all my me.
World War 3, episode 1, season 2. World War 3, episode one.
You know, I'm gonna kill Colombo. I don't care. Oh, Jesus Christ. I was just kidding. I was just kidding. I was just kidding. Oh, no. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Elbows. Oh. He's bad. Oh, my God. Whatever.
Are next to my baby, they will protect you with their lives.
Oh, no. Elbows. Oh, my God. Get you. Oh, my God. Give it every game. Elbows. Oh, my God. Elbows. Oh, my God. Boom. El Colombo. Where is he going? Where are you going, huh? Where are you going? You're lost. Oh my God. You're even loster than you're even lost than Dora. Oh my God. Dora the Explorer. Oh my God. I'm better than you. Like really bad. Like oh my God. You need a map. You're young. You have zero PR. No earnings. You have no money. You're broke. You have to you're broke. You're family is poor. Broke shit.
Do not.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh, Bobo, you're bad. You're better at the game. Oh my God. Imagine not having family. Imagine not having family. Oh, jeez. Oh, Bobo, you can't hit your shots. Oh, Bobo, you can't hit your shots. Oh my God, get away, get away, get away. Process race. I'm gonna call the police. Oh my God. Come on, here we go. You're better at the game. You're not that good. You're actually dog water. Oh my God. What at the game? Dog water, dog water, dog water, dog water, dog water, dog water. This kid is so annoying, bro. You're mad. Like, you're mad. Like, you're better at the game. Look at you. Look at you. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Elbozo. Alright, I'm done. I'm done absolutely clipping you, bro.
Bro, I'm absolutely clipping this kid.
Your blue cheeks are clapped. I clapped your booty cheeks so hard that, like, you're really, like, lost. Bro, lead Colombo over here. We need Colombo over here so let the bots know that an enemy has
try to draw him to
arrived. Hey, Elbozo, you can't do anything.
If you get the bot, if you get them over here, he will die. Yeah, too many bots to let him win. Dude,
hit your shots. Hit your. Okay, I was just kidding. Go hit your shots. You can't do anything. You can't do anything. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What do you think you're doing, huh? What do you think you're doing, huh? You can't. Elbozo. Okay, never mind. Okay, I was just kidding, bro. I was just kidding, bro. Let me drink my minis. I need to
drink. To the baby. Baby for life.
Please don't follow me. Bro, just come over here, dang, bro, why you so freaking mad for? All I did was shoot you like 5 times. Really not that big of a deal, man. Like, what the frick? Oh my God, get it every game. Oh, you can't get me.
Lead him to the baby.
Oh wait, I need to
you lead him over here.
Get over here, you idiot! Oh my God! Follow me!
Where is he? You need to get him. Some babies are going towards Colombo. They're going towards him.
Oh my God! Hurry up and follow me!
Oh no! I have a traffic jam.
That's the wrong way! That's the wrong way, Colombo! That's the wrong way! Oh, what?
If you see a traffic jam, if you hit it with a car, you literally are lost.
Oh my God! Just Colombo, I swear to God, I'm gonna bring him in. Oh my God, this guy's gonna follow me. I'm doing so much damage, like I'm so good at the game.
What is this? You put a bridge? Yes. Or the babies. We need a squad. Look what he's doing to them.
You're more lost than Dora the Explorer. Oh my God, you're better at the game. Oh my God, get a pickaxe. You got a pickaxe. Oh my God, get a pickaxe.
Clean it.
Please. Guess what? You're gay. Oh, hit your shots. Oh, Elbozo.
You can't build against this.
You're better at the game. You're running because you're bad.
Better at the game. Colombo, the AI bot that will eat trash.
I'm lagging.
I'm bored. What the fuck? And I killed myself. Oh my god. I didn't know there were retards.
Cover the bottom. Cover the bottom. They can't kill you.
I died too.
It's over, LJC. It's over, Classy.
It's not to see me.
What a freaking Bow. Dude, there's this random freaking NPC. His name is Bow Bros.
I shot that guy.
You're dead? Oh my god. Oh my god, hit your shots. You're bad. Oh my god. Hit your shots. Oh my god, you're bad.
He's an AI bot and you're calling it bad.
No, he's just bad.
That is an AI bot and you're calling it
Shut up, LJC.
Dossie, where you at?
You're talk to me.
You're legit calling your own kind bad.
What do you mean? You're just bad. You're just mad that you're bad. Drew, I swear to God. I'm trying to spin around a tree. You're over here spawning a million bots. A potato flew around my room before you came.
Boys, build up!
A potato flew around my room before you came. Had someone to blame. A potato flew around my room before you came.
No, everybody, switch teams and go kill them.
And guys, look, help me.
Everybody go to
Guys,
team
look,
two.
I'm swinging.
Everybody go to team 2.
No.
We must eliminate them.
I'm just spinning around in my rope. You guys can't do anything about it. You guys can't do anything about it. You can't do anything. You can't stop me at all because I'm too good. What you gonna do about it, huh? You can't kill me. You can't kill me. I bet you can't kill me because you're elbows. You can't kill me. 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 You're bad. You can't kill me. Can y'all try to kill me? You're gonna try to kill me, guys. Try to kill me. Guys, try to kill me.
My flames.
Guys, try to kill me. 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 Kill me, you piece of shit.
Oh my guys.
And Doom Eternal only has 5 people to kill at once. Idiot. Bro, I bet y'all can't kill me.
Who dare messes with Doom?
Your mom.
I'm beating him to death. I'm taking him out with my hands. Bah! That I hit this guy twice, 4 times.
Drew, I bet you can't kill me because you're bad. Anyway. Drew, try to kill me. Try to kill me, Drew. Oh, no! No! Don't kill me! Don't kill me! Don't try to kill me, please.
I'm needing for the kill.
Oh my god, you're bad. Don't we have to get better at the game? You can't kill me because you're bad. You can't kill me because you're
I'm
bad.
here to kill you. I want my frames back.
You're bad. Oh, bro, I was just kidding. I was just kidding. I was just kidding. We can talk about it. We can talk about this. Oh no. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Yo, he's gonna go after you. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm out. I'm gonna chill in that bathroom, bro. I'm chilling in that bathroom. Bro, what the freak? I'm trying to chill in the bathroom, bro. I'm using the bathroom, bro. It's not your turn yet.
It's not your turn.
It's 5 hours per bathroom break. It's because I take a dump for too long.
It's not your turn yet.
It's not your turn yet. Get out. It's not your turn yet.
Your turn.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Ow! Ow! You piece of shit! I'm lifting. I'm lifting. I'm lifting. I'm ending the stream. I'm not having any more Russian people.